Today we're going to be talking about Chapter 11, which is two-dimensional shapes, which are flat shapes. Lesson 3, which is just a review of the 4 shapes that we've learned already. And then you're going to spend some time in your pages that you have to work on, which are optional. But I recommend doing, just because it's going to make us better understand the similarities and the differences between the 4 shapes. But you're going to classify the 4 different shapes, pick them out, and then you do this fun color by shape to make like a draft. So let's just do a quick review. So the first shape that we learned about was a rectangle, and remember, we can use our vocab words side, vertex, and curve to classify the shapes that we're talking about today. So for a rectangle, we said that the rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And how many vertices does a rectangle have? 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices. The fun thing about a rectangle is that 2 sides are one length and the other 2 sides are a different length. So that's what makes a rectangle special. Next, we have a square. How many sides does a square have? 4. That's right. And then how many vertices does a square have? 4 also. What is fun about a square is that all 4 sides are the same length. So think about, in your head at home, what makes a square and a rectangle alike and what makes them different. Next, we'll move on to the triangle. Let's count the sides of a triangle. How many do you see in a triangle? It's going to be 3. And then, how many vertices? Also 3. Our final shape right here is a circle. Now, we talked a lot about a circle and what made it super, super special, because how many sides does a circle have? Right. If a side is a straight edge of a shape, a circle doesn't have any sides but has one big curve, okay? And then the same thing with the vertices. If a vertex is where 2 sides meet at a corner, if we don't have any sides in a circle, we definitely don't have any vertices, okay? So you can think about what makes each of these shapes unique compared to the others, and that'll help you with your workbook pages. We'll talk about our last shape tomorrow, which is the hexagon. But yeah, in the meantime, y'all keep practicing those 4 shapes. Bye.